Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Menteri ka Sarkar Jilau ba EL-hek haga khandai trikunai lar arajar apusan ulapli patba eka Loyola Block Jong Xavier'S College kemudian haga shnong Umoid Southwest Xavier'S District malkum joru eka jingale kai Mama Mia haga ne program laidan lang Deputy Commissioner Jong Southwest Xavier'S uba B Maulong Chief Spokesperson Jong BJP uba M Kharkrang Principal Jong Xavier'S College Father Augustine Sani kikmegi kpa kisamla pule kiro pokmat gathai mau kerwat ba kiwe ki he officer sarkar hagani ge sngi lapin kuburam ye kisamla pule ki bla pass bha but your distinction ha ki subject prepare ha ki examine bla pin long da school ba ne hu
So today, the 9 August 2025, it's my privilege and honor to inaugurate this Loyola College of St. Xavier's.
Please give a huge round of applause.
So we congratulate to the all who has really conceptualized for this program today, and particularly to Basain Marwig, who has really wonderfully choreographed this act, which is I feel that I'm not in the Umoid, but I am in the California, the film city of the United States. Really, I forgot myself that I am here in Southwest Xavier'S. For a moment, I am here in the California, in the film city of Hollywood film city of United States. I really appreciate and admire the way they act, Father. I don't know who has conceptualized the entire show. So not beautifully done, but excellence, I can use the word. Excellence has been done. I don't, Father, this one has to be showcased. It should not be end only the Southwest Xavier'S. We'll have the opportunity. Obviously and definitely we'll have the opportunity. We are also the creator. We'll create something, the opportunity for your students. So talented, the way they have acted, unbelievable that we are here in the Southwest Xavier'S. And I'm thankful to the parents also, who really send your children to one of the jewels, the institutions that is here in the Southwest Xavier'S. Father, when we are talking about here, sometime back about the skill developments, how to create the personality. That is the need of the hour, the need of the day. That we have seen today, many of our students, our children, they don't understand how to choose their academic, how to choose their field. But when I've seen today, they are really very self-confident. Everybody has self-confidence, every one of you. It is so talented. And I really must put a record step to congratulate to each one of you. I used to tell in other school, when to attend the other school in Shillong, another part of Shillong, I said that when you are sending your students to study for any academic future career, they should have the demand driven. The demand driven in the market today is very important. The students should understand which field, which subject to study, where the demand drivens are available in the market. So that is very important.
Pidan dukan marbam ndey compare la ka bared ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki way ni pishat roti shat cake bat ki way na ka benta ka koi ka khya jongi pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba phinyo ka jing shania naki Pidon kan bendon dengan lisen kepapaka kebela itu dakaan kata ke Food Safety and Standards Act arajar Henry link bagi section lai puai iwe kamde ke be bapinyo ek lisen pila ban apply ke online link bagi website fascas.fssai.gov.in daga bapi hap upload ru ikut kisla badan kam kat kum kejat jingkam Jong pi pila ru banyak kendo iki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam Jong lani ke district medical and health officer habro ke district ke badan hamigalaya latno tang is Xavier'S pila benlet bed chak office terekam Jongki ke commissionerate of food safety ke badan Loyola chumya nakabenta ke kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan Rashapi dengan Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, Bat Balakershan dengan Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.